charging cable right where you used to sit. It only works at certain angles, like it remembers your wrist. I keep it plugged in overnight, even when it's full, just to watch that flicker happen, like something almost pulls. Kitchen clock skips every minute, then corrects like nothing's wrong. I started timing all my breathing, just to see where you belong. There's a message I never opened, timestamp frozen in the blue. Not afraid of what it says, just what it turns you into. Don't update, don't erase, leave the glitch inside the frame. If I smooth it, if I change it, you won't stay the same. Don't resolve, let it break. I can live inside the lag, every second slightly late, but it brings you back. I wore the sleeves you left behind until the fabric lost your shape. Now they hang like empty outlines mapped to someone I can't place. Try to sleep without the noise on, heard the room too clearly then. Every object